Hi, hello everyone. Good morning from Al Hasa Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Once again, this is Pinoy Hasawi. I just wanna give you a quick update here. All right. So while I am driving, going to my work, just give you an update that the Sandstorm is still covering here, but not like the same as when the first day of Sandstorm got hit in this eastern region. And now today it's not just thick compared to the other 3 days ago. So now slightly subside dahil hindi na siya gaanong mahangin, but still there is dust, right? So just a quick update. This is day 6 of Sandstorm that hit all over the eastern region in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. And part of eastern region is Al Hasa, Al Kubar, Damam, Kafji, Jubail, and Hafar Al Batin. So this is full of dust, but thanks God, today hindi na gaanong makapal ang alikabok, since hindi na siya gaanong malakas ang hangin. So that's the reason why na hindi na siya gaanong malikabok today. Alright guys, thank you for quick update, and I hope na meron kayong mag-gain na kaunting balita. And of course, palagi tayong mag-iingat. Please take care and always drink a lot of water for us not to be dehydrated because of this summer. And it's very hot, especially here now after this almost 1 week sandstorm. So ang kapalit nito is very hot. Temperature will be rise up to 50 degrees Celsius. So guys, thank you for watching. This is just an update video, and I hope that meron kayong narinig and meron kayong nalaman regarding here in Saudi Arabia. And once again, this is Pinoy Hasawi. Thank you for watching, and I'm gonna see you next vlog. And take care, and of course, God bless you all, and share the love of Christ to everyone. Bye bye for now.